fits in here fine. There's no way it's going to fit in that spot. Surely not. It does. Oh wait, but will it turn? One click. That's all I needed. Flip it over. Snug it up. Oh, there we go. That is awesome. It actually fits. Yes. And it even fits with the distributor bolt down there. And I can turn it enough, tighten and loosen that without having to push a open end in, turn, flip, turn. Yes, very happy. Hey, it's Killbite here. And a couple of weeks ago, I did a review on the Suzume torque wrench set. And link is like here. Anyway, I like the product. It's quite good. And Suzume offered to send me $24-piece flex head ratcheting wrench set. It's available on Amazon. There are links to both of these in the description. Now I figured if the torque wrenches are pretty good, let's try them out. I mean, why not? So this is a video on that. You already saw I used them on an intake bolt that I've always had trouble getting to. It was impossible to get that thing tight. It was too tight a space, but yet the wrench worked on it. And the distributor bolt I was also able to get to with no issues. So right there, the reason for them is obvious. They can get to things that other tools just can't. Now, question is, are these actually good? Well, let's look and see. So I got both the SAE as well as the metric, and they come in the cases. Now, I will tell you, it can be hard to pull them off. Well, just take one of these, open them up. Now you can pop this off and just use it like that. That's what I will probably do. Sizes, probably can't see this, but it's 1/4 inch to 7/8. There's 12 of them, and it does not skip sizes like on some kits. Metric ones, it's 8 to 19. And that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. No skips. I've seen some where they skip sizes, and inevitably that's the size I need. This has all of them. Now, let's look at the 3/8, which I used on the intake. There's a good look at it. So it's kind of the, it's kind of a gunmetal color. Looks really good with the gold ratcheting end, and it has the size in 4 places, which I like. Now I will probably take some paint, put a little paint in there, and then wipe across it. That'll leave the paint inside the holes. Just make sure they're not greasy when you do that. Or you can use crayon, color some crayon in there and do this wipe over. Paint should last longer. They are chrome vanadium, yes, I can't pronounce the word, and Suzume. They are made well. They should be strong, being the chrome. Oh, and the gunmetal, it's actually called black nickel, and it is powder coated. They're Allen bolts that go through. So if they did loosen up, you should be able to tighten them. Now mine have not. I have not used them for that long, but we'll get there. Now something else, they don't have an arrow pointing what direction it's turning. So what I will do is take and put a little arrow pointing that direction, so I know which way it will turn. And then you flip it, it'll turn the other way. So the arrow will point that way. But that's like the only thing I really wish it had. And I can paint that on. So one thing, it's a flex end. It's actually slightly over 180 degrees. It's like a gymnast. A lot of flexibility. However, it stays where I put it, which is nice for like when you're in that intake, it's real tight. You have this where you want it, and you know when you go to put it on, it's not going to flop down like some others and be hard to get it on. So yes, they're all good. There's a little bit of variance in that, but they all are easily movable, but not loose. Now this one did get a little bump or something on it, probably from shipping. That's the only one I've seen with any damage, and that's just cosmetic. And let me point out, so with that intake, I was able in that really tight spot to ratchet it. It's because it has 5 degrees. That's all it needs. It's 5 degrees per point, because it's got a 72 point system in here. So there's 72 points in here where it'll catch, which is really nice when you're in those tight spaces. And I will mention they tested the ratcheting motion for 15,000 times, which is quite a few uses, and the flexing 20,000 times. So yeah, that's a lot. That's gonna last a long time without it breaking or the flexing messing up on you. And I believe I read that it's a 2-year replacement warranty. Check on that, but I think that's what it was, 2-year replacement. Call them and they will replace it if it went bad. So currently on Amazon, these have a 4.6 star with 182 reviews, and they are currently 20% off. Normal price is $97.88 with 20% off, $78.30. So $78.30 will give you both sets, which is a pretty good price for what you're getting. I'm quite impressed with them. So there is a link in the description, and you'll probably see me using these in some of my videos. All right, I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, or leave a tip on my Ko-fi page, and good luck with your purchasing decision.